Fluency. The school library has 2,976 books on its shelves. Each shelf has 48 books on it. How many shelves are in the library? Well, if it's saying that each shelf has 48 books on it, let's divide. So let's divide 2,976 divided by 48. All right, let's see. 2,976 divided by 48. All right, can 48 go into 2? No. Can 48 go into 29? No. Can 48 go into 297? Yes, it can. But how many times? Let's try maybe 5 times. I don't know. Let's try it. 48 times 5. Sometimes you have trial and error. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. 240. Oh, yeah. Can it go in again? 48 times 6. 8 times 6 is going to be 46. 6 times 8 is, 48. Whoa! 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is going to be 28, so 284. Yes! It can go in 6 times. And when we have our 48 times that 6, we get 288. Perfect. So see how we had to do some trial and error here? That's all. That's it. That's good. All right, now let's subtract. 7 minus 8. Oh, we can't do that. So the 9 becomes an 8. To make this 7 is 17. 17 minus 8 is going to be 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down that 6. How many times can 48 go into 96? Let's take a look. Well, let's try times 2 maybe. 48 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Look at that! 48 times 2 is going to be 96. Oop, not times. Minus. And we have no remainders and nothing left to bring down. So our answer is going to be, maybe, our answer is going to be 62. 62 shelves. 62 shelves. And that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job!